Now, dear student, I am going to start about landforms. As we know, over the surface of the earth, not singularities. Some parts of the surface raised in the height, and some parts of the surface having medium height. Some area of the surface low lying surface. There is a differences over the surface according to the height. Some parts acquired by mountains, some parts acquired by plateau, some parts acquired by plain regions. Mountain, plateau and plain. In Hindi, पर्वत, पठार और मैदान. These are the known as relief features. It's also known as landforms. It is also known as terrain. In Hindi, we can say uchavach. Terrain means uchavach. Landform means asthal rope. Relief feature means भौतिक स्वरूप. We study one by one about the mountain, about the plateau, about the plain. Mountains are the uplifted part of the earth's surface, which is having more height, which can be observed from a long distance. Upper part of the mountain is known as peak. Beside, if mountains are present over the surface in a series manner, it's known as mountain range. In Hindi we can say पर्वतों की श्रृंखला. It means one after another, again one after another, by this way, by following this way, there is presence of so many mountains, which is known as mountain range. In the case of India, northern part of the country covered with the mountain region, which is known as Himalaya mountain. Actually, there are two types of mountain all over the world. One is the old mountain, another is new mountain. Old mountains' height are reduced due to process of weathering and by the action of agent of gradation. What is weathering here? Due to high temperature and low temperature, pieces of rocks of the mountain become weak. When agent of gradation like river, wind, glacier, these all are start to work on the weak piece of mountain, weak piece of rocks of the mountain, then the weak piece of rock of the mountain disintegrated. It means divided into small pieces, which are carried by the action of agent of gradation. By this way, the height of the old mountain will decreased. In the case of India, Satpura mountain and Aravalli mountain, these are the example of old mountain. Satpura mountain located between the Narmada and Tapi river. It's expanded west to east direction. It's located northern part of the Maharashtra. Beside Arauli mountain, located north to south direction, which expanded from Rajasthan to Delhi. These are the example of old mountain of India. Beside Ural mountain, which located in Russia, Appalachian mountain, which located in America. These are the example of old mountain. Now, young mountain, which is known as new mountain. These are formed during recent phase, but not before the few years. 25 million years ago, these mountains were formed. Young mountains are formed by the action of movement of plate. As we know, Earth's surface divided into so many plates. When these plates are moving towards the same direction, then materials which lies between the two plates, due to force, it's raised the height. By gaining height, form the mountain. Origins of Himalaya, Rockies, Andes, related with this event. Himalaya located in India, Rocky Mountain located in North America, Andes Mountain located in South America. These are some examples of young mountain, which is also known as folded mountain, because these mountains are formed by folding process when force hamper over the materials from both directions. Now we are going to study about plateau. Plateau are upland having a rugged surface. Rugged means उबड़ खाबड़. पठारों की धरातल उबड़ खाबड़ होती है. It's look like a tableland. It means it's have more height from the surface and appears just like a table. The average height of the plateau is 600 meters in the case of all plateau, but the average height of Tibetan plateau is 5000 meters. That is why Tibetan plateau known as roof of the world, because it's have more height as comparison to the another plateau. As we know, roof of the house is more heighted place. Similarly, height of the Tibetan plateau is more as comparison to the all the plateau of the world. Normally, in India, plateau region known as Deccan Plateau, which look like a triangular shape. which covered by the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. The other famous plateau of the world is Brazilian plateau, Arabian plateau, etc. Dear student, plateau are known as storehouse of the minerals. It means most of the minerals found in plateau areas like iron ore, gold, diamond, silver, etc. Plateau are also stable zone. It means volcano activity normally not take place in these regions, but during the ancient time, one fact is also related with the plateau. These plateaus are formed due to plate tectonic event. When volcano take place, then molten material, magma which come out from the volcano accumulated means jama ho jana, accumulated over the earth's surface in the form of lava. In the case of India, these lava weathered due to effect of weather and turn into black soil, which is also good for the production of cotton. So these are the information regarding this topic, plateau.